Hi, I'm Priscilla. Welcome back. Today is our second video. Are you ready? Let's go. So in this video, we have a new content for you. In our last video, we discovered why matters for small business success. So here come to our video 2. We're talking about collecting and organizing data. Now, take the next step, collecting and organizing your business data, which is our video 2. So you can start seeing patterns and insights that guide your decisions. Whether you're running a cafe, a small retail shop, or a wellness service, you are sitting on tons of information already. Big data everywhere, lots of data collected. For example, web data, e-commerce, purchases at department, grocery stores, bank credit transactions, social networks, etc., etc. When it comes to collecting data, start small. You just need a simple system to capture it, right? So, but what kind of data to collect? Basically, we have 4 categories of data. The first one is sales data, how much you sell and when. The second category is marketing data, ad clicks, social media engagement, email opens. The third category is customer data, who buys, or how often and what they prefer. And the fourth one is the operational data. It's all about inventory levels, staff hours, or delivery times. Here's a simple rule. It affects your profit, your time, or your customer experience, then track it. Take, for example, a cafe, like drinks per day, ad clicks, customer ratings, stock used. This kind of data, it matters. So you need to track this, right? Here comes the question, how to collect data. You don't need complex system to gather this data. Just free tools can do this job beautifully. Here's a few free tools to start with for you. Google Forms is kind of a choice for you. It's for customer feedback survey. And the second one, the Shopify or Square Analytics. This is for sales and transaction data. And more, we have Google Sheets or Excel for manual daily entry. Or we have also social media insights to track reach, engagement, and top posts. If you already use tools, they are quietly collecting data for you. So remind you that the key is to centralize all the data. Put all data or that kinds of information into one place, like a simple spreadsheet. It will help you a lot like this. So now let me show you how to organize data in a spreadsheet. First of all, open a spreadsheet like this. Start with just these columns: date, sales, customer count, ad spent, like how much money spent on advertising, and note, for example, for what kind of events, what kind of promotion, or the weather that may affect sales. It helps to keep your data clean and organized. So here we have an example. We use color coding, green and yellow. Green for high than average sales date, and yellow for slow days. Like you see in the chart, green are like on the 2nd November, the sales is about 1,500. It's due to Sunday more customer. And the 7th November, the sales amount to 1,200 because of Friday happy hours. And in comparison with the yellow code, then you can see 160 only and 20 customer count on the 3rd of November is bad due to the bad weather. So what you need to do is just enter your numbers daily or weekly, whichever fits your schedule. so you instantly see trends even before grabbing them. The goal is not perfection, it is consistency, right? So now you may be thinking, Priscilla, I'm not a number person. Oh, don't worry, you don't need to track everything. Choose one or two key metrics at first, like daily sales, customer count. Once you feel comfortable, add more, like ad spend. The goal is not to collect more data. It is to collect the right data. So bear in mind, start simple, stay consistent. The real magic happens when you track your data regularly. A single week's worth of data is interesting, but think about 3 months of consistent entries. That's when you start spotting trends. You will see slow days, high performance, or seasonal shift. Here we have an example for you. A wellness studio tracked daily client bookings and found Mondays were slow, always slow. So what do we do is they introduced mindful Monday discounts to customer. And so the bookings jumped 40% up. That's what organization and observation can do. So from this example, we can see that regular tracking really powerful. It tells the organization that the daily client bookings slow. Therefore, a discount was introduced to solve the sales performance problem for them. As a result, bookings jumped dramatically by 40%. So here you see. So let us conclude today's lesson. See what are the takeaway for you today. First point is start with simple, relevant data. Means data like sales, customers, advertising. And the second point is use free tools. Take, for example, Google Forms and the spreadsheet, right? And the third point is keep your data consistent and easy to read. Okay, so that is a conclusion for today's lesson for you. It's time for our mini quiz like last week. Let's see what is the first one for you. So here's the question. Which of these data types help you understand customer behavior? Think about this. And here we come 3 choice for you. A, advertising impression. B, sales per day. C, customer feedback ratings. Give you some time to think about the answer first, okay? Yeah, I think you know the answer is C, customer feedback ratings. Why? Because it shows why customers feel the way they do, okay? And another quiz for you. Interesting. The question is, how can the small business reduce data overwhelm? And as usual, we have 3 answers for you to choose. The first one, A, measure every possible metric. B, focus only on vanity metrics, for example, likes, views. C, track a small set of actionable metrics tied to goals. Give you some time to guess to answer which one is correct. Right. The answer is C. Track a small set of actionable metrics tied to goals. Because limiting metrics to what drives performance, they can keep data manageable and meaningful. Okay. Today, we also arranged a template for you available to download. Please click the link in the YouTube video. And the name of the template is Simple Sales and Customer Data Tracker. We have 5 columns in this template. So what you need to do is just use it in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Okay, so what's next? In the next video, we have the video 3. Let's talk about visualizing data for quick insight. We'll turn your raw data into beautiful visuals that make sense at a glance. We'll learn how to create charts and dashboards. No design skills required. Don't worry. We just bring your data into real life, turning those numbers into visuals that instantly tell your business story. How great it is, right? Okay. So remember to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. I hope you like it. And thank you. See you next video. Remember to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. See you later. Bye.